Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete account on Rave app. First of all, you can open the Rave application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply scroll down at the screen. Now you can tap on settings. Make sure that you updated the latest version of Rave app. If you can't update, you can just simply go to the app store and play store and update it the latest version. And here now you can just simply scroll down, and here you will find the option delete account. Tap on it. Now you can tap on just to delete your account, and this is the way you can delete account on Rave app. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes our browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.